Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to do a shitload of work on the Ferrari F430 Turteria.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. That is the Ferrari 430 Turteria, which we sold to our friend Daniel, who's over here. When we sold it to him, there was no hidden agenda here. We knew this thing needed a lot of work. Well, today we're going to do a lot of that work. So I've got an entire shelf full of parts. We're going to try and get as much done as we can on this car, and then we actually also have to work on our 430. So it's like National 430 Day, I guess. So we're going to be wrenching on this thing. It's going to be a lot of DIY work because we need to get ready to go on the road for the Tour of Colorado, which is in less than a month, do or die time. Anyway, if you want to support us, please like, share, and subscribe. And of course, you can hit the notification bell and go visit normalguysupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services for your car, although we don't sell OEM parts. We only sell aftermarket. So if you're looking for OEM, sorry, we're not going to be able to help you out. But if you want some aftermarket parts, such as the IP exhaust that we install on this thing, and it sounds glorious, hit us up. Use code NGS10. It knocks off 10% most of the things we sell. By the way, I have a cold still. I know, I've had a cold for like 5 videos now. This one won't go away. We're gonna wrench all day. All day.
You can do it all night long!
Okay, YouTube, so here's all the stuff that we gotta do. Some of it we're not gonna be able to get today, but we're gonna try and get as much as we can. So first of all, it desperately needs an oil change. So we got the oil filter oil. We got a new tail light because I'll show you the tail light in a second. New engine mounts. We actually have the valve cover gaskets. That one I'm not sure we're gonna have time today. We'll see. Spark plugs. We've got one of the little screens for the convertible top. We got a Scudding Swiss eDiff controller, so he keeps getting the eDiff light that we were getting on our 430. So we're going to disable the eDiff, and then we're also going to do a F1 flush. Also would want to do a brake fluid flush. And then, well, the thing that we're not going to get to today for sure is the, well, you guys called it. Remember the top, how we fixed the one hydraulic cylinder that goes up in the center? And you guys were like, oh, you need to change them all at the same time because once you change one, the others will break. Well, guess what? It lasted all of like 2 days, and then 2 more cylinders popped. So now we've got the side cylinders are leaking. So we're gonna have to order all new cylinders. So that's not gonna get done today. The other thing that's not gonna get done today is we are not gonna fix the crinkle coat paint because, well, I don't think we're gonna have time to send that off to get painted. Paint shop that does that stuff is backed up about 6 weeks right now. They're pretty backed up. So we can call him, but yeah, I don't want to risk it and have him have no intake manifold before the tour. Oh, and here is this taillight. See, it's kind of like delaminating. Here, see that? It's kind of unusual. I've seen this before, but not too often. I don't know if it got bumped or something. It's kind of weird. Yeah, and of course it's, you know, clearly cracked. So we have a new taillight for that. So we're gonna pull off a bunch of shit and wrench a lot. All right, we're doing oil. Is he gonna get splashed? Nope.
Because I'm a boss.
That's some gnarly oil.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, it got you. Ah, you got him. Ah.
I cracked the thing up top to let air in.
It's still goobering. All right, so we're gonna get the engine mounts and the oil going. Yeah,
I know. I'm just waiting. Come on, put your back into it. There you go.
Yeah. The gusher.
That was my nickname in high school.
Oh, that's not something I want to know.
That could, yeah, that just.
Everyone's like, stand clear.
Different ways.
Oh no.
Don't be scared.
Oh. Jesus. Sprayed all the way out there. God, I hate that bolt. Look at that. Unnecessary. Unnecessarily large. So we're dealing with a engine mount bolt. Clearly someone reused it because it's not threading correctly.
It's on there good.
It's on there real good. You are not supposed to reuse these.
Doing my best to save my knuckles.
Yeah, don't reuse those bolts. Always buy a new one for the engine mounts. Ugh, it's horrible. All right, I wanted to point something out. This is the new bolt that goes into the engine mount, and here is the new nut. And what you can see is, if you look at it from this direction, you can see the threads look pretty nice. But if you flip it over, you can see the threads look flat. So what happens is you thread it in like this, and as it goes down, it actually kind of chews up the threads and makes it so it won't back off. So that's why you cannot reuse these damn things. Don't reuse them. And take a look at this. This is the old one. Look what it did to it. Ow, it's still hot. There you go. See, it just...
Should you reuse those?
No, don't reuse them. Just like a condom. Don't reuse it.
What?
Uh-oh. There's a wiring harness. There's 3. There's one on the bottom.
Oh, there's 3?
Yeah, there's 3. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. The 2 on the top are the problem. So we're getting the tail light replaced. We got oil.
The 2 on the top are easy to get to. This one on the bottom's gonna be.
Well, no, but those are the ones that break.
Oh.
The studs.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna flush the F1 system. We're gonna put in the EDIF controller. Oil changed. We found some missing bolts on the exhaust because, well, you know, when you
Whoever installed it was a jackass.
Oh yeah, those guys suck.
Certified Ferrari mechanic.
Yeah, where's my YouTube certification? Yeah. All right, that fluid is disgusting.
Yeah, it
that
looks like mud.
It's not right. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's supposed to be red. It's kind
Supposed
of
to be clear red.
Yeah, it's not right. So we're gonna flush it all out. All right, here's the old tail light. You can see that? There it is, starting to crack. Sweet. So yep, that tail light was hosed. Just got done doing the clutch bleed. We learned a lesson, which is so this bottle cannot go through 2 bleed cycles, only 1. Overfilled. So then we hit cancel. We're like, oh god, it's overfilling. And when we hit cancel, apparently whatever mode it's in, it just stays in. So it was in like pump mode, and it just kept running and running and running. So I had to run over and turn off the keys. That was fun. All right, we're gonna install a Scudding Swiss ECU relay. There you go. Just plugs in right here behind the seat, right into the computer. All right, YouTube. So this thing was having some F1 issues. I'm gonna go take it out for a quick spin, make sure it's still working, and then we call it good. So off we go.
A few moments later.
All right, YouTube. Went out, drove the Turreria. It's driving good. Adjusted the PIS on the clutch. Feels really good now. No shifting issues, no EDIF warnings, no F1 pump stuff. So now we're working on the F1 pump on our 430 because we put in the Scudding Swiss controller. The EDIF problems went away, but we're still getting a very, very rare F1 light, which is odd. So we think the F1 pump. Yeah, so it's inconsistent. Seems to happen more often when it's hot than not, but it has happened when it's cold, so who knows? It just...
And it has no rhyme or reason.
Yeah, there's no real particular reason when it happens, so we're just gonna put in an aftermarket pump. I'll show you that. All right, so Josh is getting the F1 pump removed.
I'm just guessing on this. I watched a video, but it wasn't.
I saw a YouTube video, so hold on, let me get a light in there so you can kind of see what's going on.
It said don't take the hex screws out, only take the Torx ones out, so okay.
Okay, don't take the hex, only the Torx.
I did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night.
So there's the pump way back there. The new pump we have, I should show you, is actually much larger and more powerful. So those are 30 amp, the new one is 50 amp. So this is a big beefy bastard. Yeah. We'll see if that works. All right, well, our crap luck on this car continues. So, turns out the early 430s used the same F1 pump as the 360s, and it's a different design. So, our new pump motor will not work on this car. So now we gotta go get a different pump. We just can't win right now. Cool, I guess. Frustrating. Yeah, we learned something. I did not know that.
Early 05s used the 360 pump.
Apparently early 05s had a 360 pump. Damn it.
The next day.
Good morning, YouTube. So it's the next day. We've got the right pump now. So we went to EAG. We stole one of the pumps that was taken off of one of the other cars. We're gonna put that in. If that doesn't fix it, then it's the actuators, and we also got some actuators. So Josh is in right now. That one's off of a car that only had 3,000 miles. So that's the 430 ones. You can see the 360 ones have a little Cavallino on it. So we don't want to use the 360 one. But there's the pump. Where is it? It's attached to that unit somewhere. There it is. There's our pump.
This is what we need right
That's
here.
the pump we need. Yeah, right there. So we're gonna take that off and then take ours off and swap them, and hooray.
I'm trying to see the best way to do it.
Yeah, it's gonna suck.
I think probably we'd undo these screws and separate it right here and unbolt it. And
Yeah, maybe it won't. We'll see.
you can't see them in the car.
Yeah, it's nice having it outside so you know exactly what you gotta do before you get all in the tight spaces.
Ta-da!
Oh, look at that. That is amazing.
Electro parts.
Electro parts. Too bad you electro suck. God. Oh,
Whoa.
that was a gasket.
Oops.
Yeah, there it is.
Oopsie.
I thought there was something
There we
else
go.
that fell
I think
out,
it's
too.
gonna puke fluid everywhere when we pull it off.
Probably.
Okay. Well, that is in there.
Are you is
About
it
the-
crowning?
he's-
We're
yeah.
we're about to give birth.
Uh-oh. Well, you don't need that anymore.
I have to cut the umbilical cord.
Any fluid come out?
No
Surprisingly-
fluid.
Surprisingly not. It's not easy to get in there. You now have a whole lot of room.
It's kind of a bitch, actually.
I hate trying to do those connectors one-handed. There. Oh, there.
We have a boy.
We have a board. Yay.
So
Into
this
the
little thing has
optics
to
is
be
not easy.
lined up.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. What if you put the little spinny thing on the pump first?
Because it's pointed down and it'll just fall off.
We used to use petroleum jelly because it was tacky.
See, it has to go on like this.
If anybody can do it, Josh can.
I trust him more than me. I just get mad and throw it.
He eat it across the garage.
Yeah.
we don't want to do that.
You got it?
Yeah.
You're a beast, dude.
Thanks.
Only 2 tries?
Can you disconnect that for
That's
me?
what she said.
I just grabbed the tip of Josh's tool.
I'm waiting for a reaction.
Oh,
Nothing.
I didn't like it.
That's what you get.
Damn it. Well, and of course we dropped the tool down onto the bottom tray. So I'll probably have to pull off the diffuser. Yay! I love working on Ferraris.
Yeah,
Almost there.
These are bastards. They're way in there.
Ferraris, man. Ferrari.
You've only been down there for like 10 minutes.
Putting a couple of bolts on.
There's 5.
Oh, no wonder it won't go in the ratchet was on reverse.
That's not a Ferrari problem. That's an Adam problem.
Yeah, I'm going with that. User error. All right, YouTube, we're gonna take it out for a test drive and see if it still happens. All right, here we go.
I'll let it warm up a little first before I...
Yep.
And after driving the 488 and then driving this feels like a turd. I just got out of driving that like a couple hours ago.
I mean, it's like only 300 horsepower less.
No, not that. I mean the shifting.
Well, that too. Aw, bastard.
Thanks, Camry.
I still got
Oh yeah, that's plenty fast, no doubt. I'm not complaining.
Those were actually pretty good shifts.
No, that shift's amazing, actually.
Then go. Jesus.
Feels pretty good.
Yeah, it does feel like it's shifting harder.
It does.
So I wonder if maybe
I feel
that
like, yeah, maybe that pump upped
just
the
didn't have
pressure a
yeah,
little
it
bit.
didn't have enough pressure.
It definitely shifts better than it did. I spent a lot of time in this car actually.
Yeah, so
San
I think we all did.
I mean, we've put like 2,000 miles on it.
Yeah, just trying to figure this out.
So far, so good. Broke the tires loose.
All right, YouTube, we think it's fixed. It feels a lot better, so we'll drive around some more, and hopefully we don't get any more check engine light, or F1 lights, not check engine light, F1 light. If one of you wants to buy it from us, hit us up, sales@ngsupercars.com. I think that car is totally sorted now. We've put a lot of money into it, put a lot of new parts into it, so it's going to make one of you really happy. It's a great car. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and go check out normalguysupercar.com. We do appreciate when you guys support us by buying parts and services for your cars through us. Use the code NGS10. It hooks you up with 10% off most of the things we sell. But that's going to do it. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to be doing a lot of cool car stuff, so you're going to want to stay tuned. It's going to be sweet.